Hey guys, what's up? It's Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Another long day of sandblasting. Been getting all the square body parts done here. We've got the frame done. And it's pretty amazing how flimsy these frames are, considering it's a half-ton. Yeah, pretty weak actually. But I mean, this is not a hot rod or anything like that with big torque, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. But we got the frame done, we got the cross member done, control arms are done, a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff, rad support, and I don't know about these control arms yet. I'm looking for a set that are already loaded up because that's a pain in the ass. So that's done. Ran out of sand before I got a chance to do the door hinges. I've got the rails done, box rails done for that 65 Chevy that we're doing here, right there. I can epoxy those, and that'll be done. And then got the trunk lid painted here for the Buick, so we'll be ready to sand that and get that polished up. And everything's under wraps here right now, and that sandblasting dust goes everywhere. Even though it's outside, there's still some coming in. So everything here is all wrapped up here. So you see we got that big unit there. That's she's a big unit. Need a diesel compressor to run that thing. It works good, but I'll tell you what, it goes through the sand. So yeah, so we got that all done. We got a mess here, finally starting to get things cleaned up here. It was a freaking mess. Still got to get the box floor out of here. And that'll have to be blasted. I'm going to need some rails underneath this one too. But actually the floor is really nice on this box. So that'll be maybe in another couple weeks or so, get that thing blasted, and probably be some other stuff. I wanted to get more stuff done for this Chevy here, but ran out of sand, and that's the way it goes. I got my GM emblem here happening. I'm just puttying it up here where I seamed it up, and she's gonna look good, man. She's gonna look good. I just want to paint it, and that's about it. So I'm getting ready. Tomorrow I'm going to start getting the wiring harness installed on the car here. I got to run that up because the guy wants to come put the vinyl top and the headliner in, and I got to get all this wiring run. And we couldn't get a you can see the dust on here. See where it's inside? Look at all the dust. And he was blasting outside. Look at it. Yeah, that stuff goes everywhere. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm not going to unwrap it. I'm going to replace this poly tomorrow, but couldn't get a firewall insulation for this car, so I'll have to show you guys again here. I did the sprayable seam sealer / sound deadener. I put that on the firewall. That stuff is awesome. This one's actually coming out better. So I got that done, just waiting for that to dry. Usually takes a couple days to dry up good. And then again, ran out of sand to do the diff here for the Chevy, for the square body. So, but we got most of it done. So now I got to finish organizing stuff here. It's just a disaster. I mean, it's not bad, but yeah, it's a mess. So anyways, that's about it. Square body cab is done. I just got to de-swirl the roof there because I'm done polishing. I just want to get that wrapped up and then get the doors done, because this is going to be going, I'm going to get the frame painted up here, and then I want to get this cab on that chassis, back on the chassis, so I can put this cab on the rotisserie.